একবার নাই করি তাইলে আমার করবো কি জানা
Hello, party people. Before I get comments that like, MJ, I thought you said you didn't drink alcohol. Yeah, I don't drink alcohol. When I walk by this shirt, I thought it was so funny. Like, come on, it's like the hands, but there's a spritz in them. And the shirt was $5. And I needed a nice shirt because my other ones are in the laundry. Anyways, I don't drink alcohol, but I like the shirt, okay? So let's just get over that. I've been doing postcards. I came back to my hotel. When I tell you, it is so hot in Venice. Like, everyone is, like, everyone outside is like, scarfing down water. Everyone's buying giant water, scarfing them down. I saw 3 people pass out. Like, you heard these screams, and then you just saw this lady on the ground, like, completely pass out. Like, when I tell you, it's hot. It is hot in Italy. Like, oh my goodness. And I remember the first time I came to Venice 6 years ago. I was 21 and I had the same exact experience. It was so hot and I was lost. I didn't know how to get to my hotel, and me and my brother were walking around for about 2.5 hours, and we almost passed out because we couldn't find our hotel. Because Venice is like a maze, and it's so hard to find your hotel unless it's like, I don't know. It's always hard to find your hotel because there's no, you have to get a water taxi, and then the water taxi can only drop you off at the port. Then you have to walk to your hotel, and then sometimes Google Maps doesn't work in between the streets. So like, we were like walking around for hours, and my brother like couldn't handle it mentally. It was too much for him, and he was miserable. So yeah, that just brings me back to the first time I was in Venice. Now I'm not new to this. I'm true to this. I don't care if I'm lost. I don't care if I'm hot. It's my life, and nothing bothers me anymore. But yeah, I was walking around for a while looking for my hotel, like covered in sweat, dripping in sweat. But this is just that travel life. And yeah, even though I took a water taxi, I still had a hard time finding my hotel because you got to go in between. Like, it's like a maze. Venice is like a maze. And I don't know, like, I just been baking in Italy the last 2 weeks, and I've gotten like 50 shades darker. The melanin is coming through, but I love it. And I'm just chocolate, and I'm just enjoying my European summer. It's amazing. I'll be in Europe about another 7 days, and I'm going to Africa. You guys will be very excited to know I'm going to Africa. People are always like, why don't you spend so much time in Africa? It's difficult to travel Africa as a solo female. It just is. It's a piece of cake to travel Europe as a solo female. You just can get a bus anywhere, get a train anywhere. If I want to wake up and go to Germany tomorrow, find a train, find a bus. It's that simple. Africa's a little bit different, but nonetheless, she's still going, of course. And I'll be there next week. So anyways, yeah, I write down the names in my journal, and then so I send about 50 to 100 postcards out every day. And I sent out 50 already, and I need to go send out my next 50. Yeah, it's super easy in Europe because they just give you these, there's these little orange boxes everywhere. And then it comes with the stamps and stickers, and then you just fill it out with the thing on there and then put it in it's super simple to send postcards here. So I've already sent 50. I'm gonna go send out the next 50. And yeah, I have been having a ball writing these postcards for you guys. If you don't know what it is, my postcard program, I launched it recently, and it's morphed into a motivational postcard because I was like sending you guys these postcards, and I was like, I just don't want to put like, hey, it's MJ, I'm in Venice. Okay, well, no, I was like, I might as well put something useful. And I was like everyone in my actual life, in real life, knows me as like that preachy person. You know, those people that are just like, you could be better, this and this and this. Always, I'm a avid reader. I'm like, you're not being enough, you're not doing enough, you need to push out, you need to grind, you need to bust your butt, you could be this and this and this, come on, I'm just one of those people who's just like, I don't know, you could always be better, you could be better, because I'm that way with myself. And like, I don't know, like, I've always had this like inside of me, this kind of person that wants to help people, that wants to give people advice. So this is just everything for me. I love it so much. And I want you guys to keep signing up for my postcard program. I love it. So I will send you 25 postcards from all around the world. you will get around 5 postcards a month. And yeah, so when I travel, I just pick up a postcard and I send it to you until it equals 25 postcards for you. And then you'll have this like little cute collection of postcards from me in my travels. And so I just thought it'd be super cool. And then on the postcards, I'm putting motivation for you. I'm putting encouragement, especially if you want to become a traveler. You need these postcards from somebody who's doing it, from somebody who's been through every stage of like dreaming about the life I wanted to actually living the exact life I wanted. I'm living the exact life I wanted, which is to travel around the world. And I'm now in the top 1% of people to travel the most countries ever. So, and solo. So anyways, and I'll be to every country soon. So yeah, sign up down below. Put the link down below if you want to sign up. I found these really cute postcards. They have recipes on them. So this has a margarita pizza recipe. This has a carbonara recipe. I was like, that's so cute. So anyways, you will get a postcard from 25 different locations from me if you sign up down below. 25 different locations. It's a one-time payment of $25 for you. It's not reoccurring. A lot of people thought it was a reoccurring. No, it's one time. You sign up, it's $25 one time, and you will get 25 postcards from me from all around the world. Motivational postcards. You can hang up on your fridge. You can put it on your wall. You can put them in your bedroom and save them. And of course, send me pictures to my Instagram. And that's what I did today. And tomorrow, I have some other things planned. But yeah, that's for today's video. Yeah, I'll be in a different place next video, I think. I'm only going to be in Venice for about a day or yeah, and then I'll be off to the next place. So yeah, I've been having a ball traveling Italy. I've been getting nice and chocolate. This heat is something else, let me tell you. I've been trying to keep my hair. I found UV protectant for my hair because I'm like, my skin is getting roasted. If your skin's getting roasted, your hair is getting roasted too. You have to protect your hair from the UV rays too. It's no joke. So anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. And I'm really excited for you guys to see the next place I'm going and also my Venice content, because this isn't really Venice content. This was just me traveling to Venice. But I'm going to get up to some really fun stuff. So see you guys in my next video. Follow me on Instagram as well at Maryjane's World Tour, my new Instagram, because Instagram deleted my old Instagram if you didn't see that, because I posted myself in Afghanistan with the Taliban and they did not like that. But anyways, yeah, see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Thank you for all the love and support. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.